When I explain my job, people usually think I'm a nerd, but I'm actually doing super cool stuff. Hello, my name is Florian, but my colleagues also call me Flo. I've been working as a project engineer at Tractebel for 2 years. Before becoming an engineer, I wanted to be a chemist. When I was a child, my hero was Spider-Man. I decided to join Tractebel to have an impact on the real world. Being an engineer at Tractebel means discovering a lot of things, learning a lot of things every day. When I arrive at work, I start by grabbing a coffee and then reading my emails. The best place in the office is the coffee corner or the kickers. With my colleagues, we often do a lot of visio now, but I hope some afterworks soon, pretty soon. I work in a team of 15 people and I love working with them because they are really involved, they know a lot of stuff and they are just a big family with me. The projects I work on are very complex, very challenging, but also a lot international, so it's really interesting. We must take care of our clients because a good collaboration with the clients is actually essential. I believe that sustainability and equality are very important to take care of our planet. On a desert island, I would take solar panels, but especially a friend, because being alone on a desert island would be definitely the worst thing ever. I am proud of my work because we are every day trying to tackle a lot of challenges, especially in the energy sectors. My dream project would be a project with both hydrogen and solar panels to create a huge green hydrogen production plant. That's all, so let me leave you with one thought, my work philosophy. Alone we go faster, but together we go further.